In this video, I'll show you how you can send a DM on Twitter on your phone. If you're looking for a tutorial which shows you how you can do it on the desktop application, then I'll leave a link in the description down below. But to do it on phone, here's what you need to do. So first things first, you need to understand that there is a setting on Twitter that you can enable which allows anybody to DM you. Now some people have this turned on, some people have this turned off. So if we just go and click on a random profile here, AJ, he has the setting turned on, which means anybody can DM him. So if I want to DM AJ here, I can just go and click on this button here, the mail icon, and it's going to open up my DMs. Now I can go and search for any profile on Twitter and I can go and DM them if they have the icon come up. So just another example here, this guy, he also has the mail icon. Now some people have their DMs turned off, and you can do that in a Twitter setting, which I'll show you in a second. So I'll show you what that setting is now. So if you want to get to that setting, click on your profile, go to Settings and Privacy, then go to Privacy and Safety, and go to Direct Messages. And here where it says Receive Message Requests, you can go and enable that, and then when that's enabled, anybody at all will be able to send you a message on Twitter.